Here's how I make a steak and veggie bowl that's simple, nutritious, and tasty in less than 20 minutes using whole foods only. The trick is to make things in parallel. First, I'll start with seasoning the steak. I have here a flat iron steak. I like it because it's thinner, so it cooks faster, and I like the stronger beef flavor. To season, I like to add salt, a general no salt seasoning, paprika, and a dash of soy sauce. Of course, you can season the steak however you prefer. Pop it in the air fryer at 400 Fahrenheit or 200 Celsius for 6 minutes. Now I'll prepare the veggies. It's time to flip the steak and cook for an additional 4 to 5 minutes at the same temperature of 400 Fahrenheit or 200 Celsius. Now I'll cook the veggies on the stove on medium to medium-low heat. Add some beef tallow, and I'll start with the carrots since it takes the longest to cook. Then the rest of the veggies. Oh, and let's not forget the garlic. Altogether, the veggies cook on the stove for about 10 minutes. You can kind of tell when they're done by how the veggies look. And finally, I'll combine the veggies and steak in a bowl. I like to top off with a sprinkle of salt and pepper. And voila! For dessert, I'll have strawberries, figs, and a side of yogurt topped with cinnamon, milled flaxseed, and maple syrup.